Happy Mother's Day!
Oh, thank you!
It's Mother's Day in March 2022. We're back at Legoland Windsor for our first visit of the year. It's really cold compared to yesterday at least. We're tired as well. But yeah, we're at front at queue. I think they open these gates at 9:30, which is in a few minutes, so straight to the Sky Lion. It's nice to be able to come to Legoland on Mother's Day as we used to do before we weren't allowed to for 2 years. It is very cold. For the past week or so, it has been boiling hot. And I couldn't believe it when we stepped out of the hotel this morning. It was grey sky. I was expecting blue sky, really warm again. At least for today, but yeah, I don't know. It's going to warm up in a bit, hopefully. That's what's forecast anyway. Really, I'm looking forward to today though. Just looking forward to it warming up really. I don't think they've got any like brand new rides at Legoland this year, but I think I saw on the map, paper maps are back, that there's a few new experiences. It seems like there's a walkway around in Lego Mythica. I'm just looking forward to stepping back into Lego Mythica, to be honest. And join us for Mother's Day at Legoland Windsor. The weather's beautiful. Nah, that's an old joke now, but yeah. And the hill train looks... I don't think it normally stops there. Unless we're into Duplo Dino... Oh no. I see construction fences all the way over there. From what it looks like on the map, it's just an addition to... I'm trying to not walk in front of other people's cameras here. It seems like on the map that it's an addition to Miniland, and obviously it is in the Miniland area. Something to do with a Lego brick, but then again, it's likely that there's going to be a lot of those in Miniland. So yeah, what is it going to be? A massive Lego brick made out of Lego bricks, that'd be cool. Man, it looks like they've built a new building for it. That's cool. We'll get closer to that in a bit. Have a little look. The hill train station is looking beautiful. Nice and fresh, but does that mean the hill train isn't going to be open? Haunted House is always just so tempting when you're walking right past it to go to Mythica first thing, but I mean, it's the newest area, it's the busiest area. When you get here early, you've got to have a ride on Flight of the Sky Lion before the 90-minute queues. Haunted House Monster Party though, looking forward to being back on there. This isn't usually how they do things. This gate's shut. There's loads of crowds from the hotel waiting on the other side of the gate to get into this side of the park. We want to go over there where there's loads of people to wait for Lego Mythica to open. Yeah, this is strange, but we're just going to have to wait here and get past all these people while they're coming this way, and we'll go that way, and I'm sure it'll work out. It's wonderful to see you again, Maximus. We're about to go on Flight of the Sky Lion to begin our day at Legoland. I absolutely love Flight of the Sky Lion, one of my favourites. In the queue line now, if I remember right, the last visit they still had the screens up to prevent COVID transmission, and they've all been taken down now, as they have everywhere pretty much. But love that ride to bits. Hopefully we get on it again at some point. Today, just walking past Heart Lake City, I've got some scaffolding on the bridge where shows normally take place, the pirate show. I've not seen that in ages, and I love it. But yeah, there's also the Lego Friends show. Oh wow, there's actually someone working. I feel like I'm back at Blackpool doing my Valhalla updates. Well, wow, scaffolding, someone's working on it. But yeah, there we go. Just a bit of maintenance to the performance area really. Ready for shows to continue on this area. I think it's around this area. Hydra's Challenge is over here in the queue line for Fire and Ice Freefall, where something new is coming this year. Just some walkthrough experience, it looks like on the map. Obviously Mythica related, Mythica themed, and well, it doesn't look anywhere near complete yet, but on the map it looks like they're doing something around there, and obviously these fences are up for a reason. So maybe in the summer or something we'll have a new walkthrough attraction as part of Lego Mythica. Hydra's Challenge. It's time for Haunted House Monster Party, which was walk on. We have literally just walked onto this around the queue line, and yeah, And now we're inside. Is the pre-show starting without us, or was that just a sound effect? That's alright. It's alright. Alright, let's have a boogie. It's nice and warm in this pre-show room. Can we stay in here all day?
It's time for the Bad Boogie! You must all join in!
Walk on as usual for Fairy Tale Brook. I mean, it's kind of a shame because it's such a good ride, it deserves a bit more. A few more people to be riding it, but you know, you can't complain at a ride being walk on, can you? Hats off to Fairy Tale Brook. Oh, that just looks so realistic. It looks like a real bird.
Oh my
Not
god,
a Lego bird.
Oh my god, it does as well.
It moves. None of us remember these signs that have been dotted around the ride recently. They're cool. Everybody say Duplo! This is the brick place in Miniland I was talking about earlier. It's not actually a big brick made out of Lego bricks, but yeah, well these are made out of Lego bricks. And yeah, play and build the brick. Yeah, it's just going to be loads of interactive stuff where kids can go and build stuff in there, which is all good. Looks very nice. Skyride is open. And we're about to go on it. Look at that for a queue. That is, yeah, wow. Do you remember, who remembers in 2018-19 when this ride was so unreliable? But when it did open, yeah, it'd always have a big queue. So, yeah, wow. Only not even at the bottom of these steps here. Right, we've waited all the way around here. In like 2016, whatever. Yeah, looks like they've given it a bit of paintwork. Lovely. Social distancing markers that probably were never used because, let's be honest, I don't think it was ever open in 2020. I'm expecting to wait a little bit longer than this for the Skyride. We are on Skyride. I don't know why I did that. It's not that big of a surprise anymore. It's good that it's back open and reliable. The queue's gone even shorter. Might go around again. There's only about two cars worth of people there. So, yeah, why not? Why not? I don't even know what time it is, but we spent the vast majority of today in Mythica. Then we went to dinner. We had a go on Flight of the Skyline, we went for dinner, and then we went on Flight of the Skyline again because it had a very short queue. Then we went on the rest of the rides in Mythica. So yeah, and then we ended up going on Coast Guard HQ, Haunted House Monster Party, and now Skyrider. So we're really enjoying today. I think it's about time they opened this ride again. Little racing raft thingy, whatever it's called. Right then, really quickly, we've just come off Skyrider and spotted that a Lego Mythica film is about to be on in the 4D cinema. They've just opened the doors and we haven't seen this one yet. We saw the Lego City one last year. But yeah, let's go. Missed that show. Now they're doing the maintenance on the Heart Lake City bridge, but yeah, there we go. Looking forward to seeing this in the 4D cinema. We've sat in the centre this time, so we are going to get soaked, apparently. If Duplo Dino Coaster is quiet, that must mean the park is quiet, right? But I have good memories from that ride, and I'm glad that we've managed to get on it today on a very small queue. I don't think we've ever left it this late to step into the Night's Kingdom. But yeah, we're going on the Dragon, just short of 90 minutes until park close now. Once again, we do not normally leave it this late. I suppose it is good to do things differently every now and again. But the Dragon's got to be one of my favourite rides here. Yeah, mainly for the dark ride section really. And this whole area. My arms are a bit sore, but we'll get on to that in a minute. We went, oh, I walked into this. For God's sake. But yes, we had 3 rides on the Dragon. Not too busy over there at all. And enjoyed every single one of them. I absolutely loved the Dragon, one of my favourite rides here. Mainly for the dark ride bit, I don't know whether I said, but yeah, obviously it's a better dark ride than roller coaster, of course, but Legoland isn't for amazing roller coasters really, apart from Dragon's Apprentice, which is amazing. And then we went on to do a Jolly Rocker, which we thought was going to be our last ride of the day. It was walk on, and it was 2 minutes to 5, and yeah, we came down here, thought, let's try and get Ninjago done before we leave Legoland today. And that is exactly what we did, walked straight onto it. And yeah, oh, it takes a bit of getting used to all that moving stuff. And then I suddenly started to do this. Danielle's gonna, yeah. Yeah, you know, I was going all at it with both hands, and yeah, you know, tired them out, but it works. I got loads of points, so yeah, you know, happy with how I did. The shutters are down though. I didn't even realise that they had shutters. I thought it was just like they put one of them ropes across or something, but yeah, there we go. Ninjago the ride. I do enjoy it for what it is. It's not one of my favourites. I prefer dark rides with props and animatronics and stuff like that over screens, and but yeah, it's unique, and I don't think there's another ride in the UK where you have to do this. Yeah, I appreciate rides for what they are. I enjoy Ninjago for what it is, and yeah, I just love going on it, you know, when I catch it on a quiet queue. Viking River Splash has been closed all season so far. I don't think you can even go up to that area. The Land of the Viking was closed, where even is it, over there, so I assume it is at the top of the park as well. So yeah, that's a shame. I do love Viking River Splash, so hopefully it's not a permanent close. I doubt it being a permanent closure, but hopefully it's back up and running soon. I nearly walked into this thing again. What am I doing? But yeah, there we go. If you've not already figured it out, that brings us to the end of the day at Legoland Windsor. We've had an amazing time. We've had an amazing weekend. Check out the Chesterton vlog, which will be on the end screen in a moment. Danielle's dancing to the music. Go on. What are we doing? I hope no one's watching us. We have had an amazing weekend. Legoland's ride availability has been a lot better than Chessington. Ride availability. The operations have been good as well. The staff have been really friendly and really good, amazing, and you know, fast operations on the rides as well. So yeah, there we go. Absolutely love Legoland. The only bad thing about today is that we didn't do Pirate Falls because it's by choice. It's been open all day and it's been walking all day, but it's been absolutely freezing, and we thought it was going to be boiling all weekend, so we didn't bring our coats from the north of England. So yeah, maybe we should start bringing our coats even if there's a heat wave forecast. But so yeah, I thought the weather was going to be a lot better today, and it's not rained, which is fine, but it's been freezing cold. Thank you very much for watching this vlog from Legoland. Check out my Chesterton vlog on the screen now, and I'll see you in the next video.